Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of the brand new for 2011 Joe Rocket Dry-Tech Nano all-season outfit. Now, when I say outfit, I really mean it's a jacket and pant combo bought separately. The jacket's going to be in that $400 to $500 range. The pants are in the $200 to $300 range. This is a top-end suit from Joe Rocket. It's going to cover you 4 seasons. So let's talk about the outer shell. Outer shell is going to be RockTech 600D, abrasion resistant. This shell is meant for adventure touring, sport touring, adventure riding. It's going to be a crossover shell. It'll breathe really well in the summer, but let's talk about the weatherproofedness. So you have your outer shell, the RockTechs. Bonded to the RockTechs is going to be a waterproof, breathable nano membrane. And what that is, it's basically Joe Rocket's version of Gore-Tex. It's going to be a waterproof, breathable membrane that will not let any precipitation in, but will let your body breathe, let you sweat, let it evaporate out through the tiny, tiny microscopic nano-level pores in the membrane itself. So it's a non-removable waterproof liner. The nice part about this jacket is when you go, so that'll cover you fall, winter, spring, and when it's raining or snowing. In the summertime, when it starts to get warm, it'll vent really well as well. So it uses the Joe Rocket Big Air system. There's vents in different places. So the first one I want to talk about is the back of the arm, exhaust vents here. So the back of the arm, you're going to have mesh back panels on both sides. This is actually access to the armor, so that's not a vent up here. The other nice part is that the collar here, if I zip the main connection zipper, the Big Air system, it's the center flap vent. There's an extra zipper with mesh panels. Pull this guy open when you're riding, and it's going to vent a ton of air through the inside of the jacket. So let's talk about the exterior a little bit. You have your dry pockets here, another pocket there. There's going to be on the inside a sunglasses pocket over the left breast, hand warmer pockets with water-resistant zippers on each side. As we move to the sleeve, YKK zippers throughout. You know, we have a gator-backed panels here with the zipper. You're going to have adjusters at the forearm and at the bicep with 3 snaps to accommodate different range of sizes and a different range of layers. If you have all the layers out on this guy in the summertime, you're going to want to cinch it down. As you start to beef up layers for the wintertime, you're going to need a little bit more expandability. Full sleeve thermal liner throughout this guy. Freddie, turn and face that way for me. CE rated armor, shoulder, elbow, adjustable, as well as the knee in the pants, adjustable for height as well. Freddie's size, Freddie's wearing a large and a large. Freddie's 6'4", 205. He's a big dude. There's a lot of adjustability built into this jacket. Notice here on the jacket, you're going to have 3 straps. You have an under the arm cinch, and again, it's for different size people and for different size or different types of layering. Cinch here and cinch here. And here's one of the beautiful things. They've been smart enough to continue. If you're a guy that is really tall, if you're a beanpole, you can really cinch the heck out of this thing and continue that cinching all the way onto the back, onto the Scotch-Lite. Now that's going to be too far for Freddie because he's a big guy, but you have 3 panels for this middle one. You also have 3 panels with the bottom one. Pull that out a little bit, make it a little more natural. Turn backwards for me, Fred. So notice I did talk about the vent panels on the back of the arms. You're going to have reflectivity. Big, take a step, half step forward for me. There you go. Big panels with reflectivity down here. You're also going to have big Venturi exhaust vents. So when you're riding forward, the air coming forward is going to be pushed into your body by your speed. The air that's exiting is going to just naturally flow out. And actually, typically, most riders, there's an area of low pressure behind your body as you cut through the wind, and it's going to suck that hot, humid air out and away from your body. Again, YKK zippers throughout, so you know they're going to be rock solid for the long haul. Back protector comes standard, but you can upgrade to the CE-rated Joe Rocket spine protector. And then notice a snap here, a dry pocket. You have a nice rabbit pouch. It is a dry pouch with a water-resistant zipper, but it's really the flap over the top that knows that it's going to ensure that it will be dry over the long haul. Turn back around for me, Freddie. Come back around. Other nuances of this guy. Collar is going to be fleece lined. It's going to have a spot here that you can either tuck the collar in from flapping or run your iPod, your speakers, your earbuds up through there. As we come down this way, you're going to open the center flap air system. And now we have anytime you have a main connection zipper on a garment, it's a weak point for water, even when you have the outer shell that has the waterproof layer bonded to it. So what Rocket does, which I actually really like, is they offset this zipper, the main connection zipper on the inside, with a double storm flap. So you have a storm flap that snaps in 2 places with a rain gutter on the outside to keep the water from rolling around the edge. And then you open it, and the main zipper's over here. So you have it to the side with a second flap. So again, this material right here is the same material that's bonded to the outer shell, and now it covers you 360 around your body. As you open it on the inside, you're going to notice the upgrades here. You have access to your pockets. You have a nice fleece liner. This is the 360 degree. This is your full thermal liner. And then you have a cell phone pocket, you have a glasses pocket on this side that's fleece lined, and remember that thermal liner is full sleeved and it's absolutely going to come out. So now moving on to the Drytech Nano pants. You can see we had Freddie. He lost the jacket. He's very serious in this video. It's very serious. But we're going to move on to the pants now. Notice we have the suspenders, the Joe Rocket suspenders. A lot of guys like them. They have a yoke in the back. They're completely removable. I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to show you in a second. Adjustability on this guy. Double on the side. Remember, Freddie's 6'4". These are larges. There is adjustability in the knees, both up and down. But remember, these are cut generous. Freddie's a big guy and a large, I typically in most Euro brands wear an extra large. Freddie's about 2 sizes bigger than me and he's wearing a large in Joe Rocket. So big guys will fit in this stuff. It's generously cut. Remember, if you need to make a size exchange, it's on us. In the front, you're going to have a rubberized seal here. It's a snap behind that. Dry pockets that have a water-resistant zipper above the knee. It's all water-resistant zippers on this guy. This is their long-distance, all-season adventure touring outfit. Turn and face that way for me, Fred. Now look at the side here. So we have our hip adjustment, we have accordion stretch panels. You can see the yoke in the back for the suspenders, which Freddie, you can pull that guy up, pull it up over your head, and pull it out through the front. You can see you can drop those suspenders if you just don't want them. Moving back, any other Joe Rocket jacket you're wearing, you're going to have a short connection zip on a stretch panel. It's not going to pull your pants down. It's going to keep them in a good spot. Accordion stretch coming down the back. Side adjustment cinch here. Ventilation along the legs. You have a two-way zipper. So you have this big, I consider it a 3-quarter. It's mid-thigh height panel here. And in the summertime, if you want to vent that a bit, you're just going to zip that guy down. Now notice you can see the liner in there. The pants are the same as the jacket. The waterproof breathable membrane's bonded to the outer shell. This liner that you're seeing here with its own zipper is the thermal liner that's removable that lives inside to cover you in the coldest times of the year. I'm a big fan of the style of this guy. I neglected to mention it does only come in one color, and this is it. It's this gray black. Coming up from the bottom, here's what our cuff looks like. This is our cuff. We have Freddie in an A-Stars boot here. You can put this gaiter down over the top of your boot like that. It's going to cover you. That's the thermal liner that's removable, but notice how that comes together, and again, it's going to be waterproof on the outer shell. Turn completely backwards for me, Freddie. Reinforced seat, we have reflectivity down here along the lower side of the calf. Really it's a rock solid adventure cut. It's going to be cut generous, like I said. It's got a nice style to it. I think it's going to go toe-to-toe with what I would consider the value premium range from RevZilla, which aren't going to be some of the crazy high-end European pieces, but for some of the American cut stuff, I think this is going to be right alongside of it. Joe Rocket's really upped its game with this piece for this year. Turn back around for me, Freddie. So if you have any questions about the Joe Rocket Drytech Nano, shoot us a line, see us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. As always, it's over $39. We'll ship it for free. You get the wrong size, we'll exchange it for free. It's going to earn Team Zilla cash whether you buy it as separates or together. Team Zilla Cash is our loyalty program, earns you money back off your next order. And if you just don't like it, don't wear it on your bike, send it back to us with a tag still on it. We'll give you 100% back to your card, never a restock fee here at RevZilla.com. Thank you for watching our detailed breakdown of the 2011 Joe Rocket Drytech Nano Jacket and Pant Adventure Touring All-Season Combo, available at RevZilla.com/Joe Rocket. I'm Anthony. This is Fred the Murderer. He's a mountain man. He's 19 feet tall. He was generous enough to be here with us today. We'll both see you next time.